Welcome back to AME means Make Math Easy. Today I will take a question from arithmetic mean. Such types of question are asked in the board examination of class 10th. Question is that arithmetic mean of 10 terms is 24 and arithmetic mean of last 8 terms is 20. Then find the arithmetic mean of first 2 terms. Here is given arithmetic mean of 10 terms is 24 and last 8 term is 20. Want to find the arithmetic mean of first 2 term. We know that arithmetic mean am equal to sum of terms, number of terms, that is n. In the first line 24 is the arithmetic mean, therefore 24, and sum of want to find, therefore sum of terms. First we find n is given 10, therefore sum of terms is equal to 24 into 10 is equal to 240. 240 is the sum of the all terms, that is 10. And sum of 8 terms, it will be 8 into 20 from this formula. If we let the first 2 term, the arithmetic mean of first 2 term be x, consider, therefore let m of first be x, therefore sum of 10 terms equal to 2 into x plus 8 into 20, sum of 2 terms and sum of 8 terms, there will be 2x plus 160, therefore am equal to 2x plus 160 upon 10 and am is given 24, therefore we write here 24. After simplify it will be 2x plus 160 is equal to 240, therefore 2x equal to 240 minus 160, it will be 80, hence x equal to 80 upon 2 is equal to 40, hence we find the value of x as arithmetic mean of 2 terms is 40. Arithmetic mean of 10 terms is 24 plus a and arithmetic mean of last 8 term is 20 plus a and arithmetic mean of first 2 term is 130. Then find the value of a. It is given the arithmetic mean of 10 terms is 24 plus a and it is divided into 2 parts, 8 terms and 2 terms. The arithmetic mean of 8 terms and 2 terms is equal to the arithmetic mean of 10 terms. Therefore, we can apply the formula arithmetic mean equal to sum of all terms upon n. N is given 10, arithmetic mean is given 24 plus a, therefore 24 plus a, the arithmetic mean of 10 terms, and sum of all terms, it will be sum of 8 terms plus sum of 2 terms, therefore 8 into 20 plus a, it is the sum of 8 terms and 2 terms, Therefore 2 into 130 is given, and there will be total term is 10. Simplify it. 10 multiply this. 240 plus 10a is equal to 160 plus 8a plus 260, 420 plus 8a and 240 plus 10a. This will be this side and this will be this side. It will be 10a minus 8a is equal to 420 minus 240. There will be 2a and 0, 8 and 1. Therefore a equal to 180 upon 2. There will be 90. Therefore the value of a is 90. We can solve this question from this method.